What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. Beautiful day in Georgia. Sun's out, a little bit of a breeze, but hey, it's all good. That's better than rain and cold. Got a big white oak log on the mill today. Gonna mill up some boards. They're gonna be 3/4 by 7 inches. I got a friend of mine that's gonna be building some bee boxes. He has beehives, and so he's going to be using this wood to build bee boxes. So he needs 7-inch boards and he needs 10-inch boards by 3/4. So we'll get those milled, and they'll get stacked up to dry for a while, and then he can use them. And I think he's going to end up painting them anyway, so they need to dry out a good while. But anyway, yeah, we're going to build some bee boxes. But anyway, this log is pretty good size. On this end, it is like 21 by 24. This end is just a little bit smaller. It does have some knots in it where some limbs are at, but we'll work through those. I think what I'm going to do is do a time lapse of the whole thing. That way it'll go faster, and if there's good character in it, I'll probably stop it and show you the character of the wood. Or if there's anything unique in there, I'll show you. But yeah, I figure a time lapse is probably about the fastest way to do it. And then at the end, just show you how much wood we got out of this. So hang in there. Appreciate you watching. If you like it, hit the thumbs up, hit subscribe. Nobody's going to bother you. I appreciate all the subscribers. And leave a comment. You know, if you think of something, leave a comment. I answer those pretty quickly. So again, thanks for watching. Let's make some bee boxes. Okay, this stuff looks just too good to not show you. This stuff just looks awesome. I mean, that is awesome wood right there. That is white oak. My favorite wood. But wow, man, that stuff looks good. for whatever reason the head stopped feeding forward and back. It was running great, and when I went to go forward again, it's just dead. So it's probably just a connection somewhere, but I'm gonna wait till my brother-in-law gets home, and he's more mechanical than me, and we'll figure it out. But anyway, you got 10 7-inch by 3/4 boards right there, and probably got another 12 to 15 and 16 and these two little cants here, and then all these cuts will be cut off at 10 inches, be 10-inch boards. So a lot of wood out of that log, but anyway, got a little malfunction, so we'll get it taken care of. And thanks for watching, and have a great day.